In this video, I'm in San Jose, Costa Rica, walking the streets, showing the sights that you may be interested in seeing if you plan on coming to San Jose, Costa Rica. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is my 68th country, Costa Rica.
Never lost roamer with Phil Ernest.
And this is the San Jose Park right here. Check this out, what we got going here. Looks like they have a tour going on here. This is one of the sites here in the center of town. Let's go up here and see what kind of viewpoint we can get from up here. A little better viewpoint from up here of what's going on down there. There's the church right there. I'm gonna go check out that church right now, see what's in there. And there's the big church right here. Looks like they have some kind of service going on. Let me check it out. Big old clock tower here on the way to the National Theater here in San Jose, Costa Rica. This is the National Theater of Costa Rica. Here's what the National Theater looks like. They have some nice statues out here before you go inside. Right here, this one, pretty nice, and then another one up here. Flutus. This is what it looks like inside the National Theater in Costa Rica. Look at these nice statues they have hanging out here. Over here, and over here against the wall over here. This is also a coffee shop. You can go in and get yourself some coffee and enjoy and relax, I guess, before they have the show start. And now, on to the next attraction. This is a square just right in the center near the National Theater right here. And kids like to come and play in these fountains here, these little pop-up faucets here. Pop-up fountains right near the National Theater. They have this nice promenade street here you can walk on with a lot of shops, and you can continue going down. I'm gonna go to right now check out the scene of what's going on in this area. Look at all these people leaving. The police are coming. They right away pack up their stuff and leave the street vendors because they don't have a permit or license to sell. So now the police, they think, are gone, so now they're going to reset up shop again. So just a little scare they had, but not. I saw the same thing similar in around the Eiffel Tower in Paris. They all pack up their stuff and then leave, and then when the police are gone, they come back. This right here is the Post Office Museum building. It's now a museum. Juan Rafael Mora. This big statue is right across from the post office. Look at the post office. Look at that beautiful building right there. You start to notice these classic buildings, and right next to the post office is another old style building right here. Check out that architecture. Spain originally colonized Costa Rica years ago. And this is the National Museum of Costa Rica. This gentleman right here, Jose Ferrer, otherwise known as Don Pepe, was the one person that changed the whole outlook at the way Costa Ricans look at their lives. He said in 1949 they would no longer have a military service. Instead, they put that money into education and other things to benefit the citizens of Costa Rica. As you can see, this big, beautiful building here, the museum, really pretty structure. And this is a place, if you're coming to the San Jose, you definitely want to check it out. It's about $11 per person to get into this museum. Wow, pretty nice. Look at that. Kind of a dome in there. This is a look around the National Museum area here. Nice big area to sit down, relax under the shade. There are two other huge buildings here right near this museum. Let's check out that one. So right next to the National Museum is the Archaeological Museum, this big huge building right here. So two big museums that'll keep you occupied and busy if you plan on coming to check out these museums in San Jose. This is kind of neat side view of the National Museum. For whatever reason they chose not to paint this part yellow, but it's really neat the way it hangs out over the edge like that. The old colonial style of buildings, just fascinating. Walking the streets here looking at this old stuff and appreciating it. This is the legislative building right here, this old classic colonial style building. Just one block over from the Blue Castle Legislature building, you find this building with the historical landmark statue of Juan Santa Maria in the front of it. And close to that, you'll find Mexico's embassy in this classic building. And look at this classic building right here, right across the street. And then, even next to this, is another classic building. Look at this one right here. Look at that building. Wow, that is beautiful. Against the golden hour light. Connected to that building is this one. Really neat architecture. And nearby those buildings, you'll find this monument in España Park of Juan Vasquez of Coronado. And right across the street from España Park, you'll find Buenaventura Corrales School. Look at the architecture of this building. Really nice. You can see this right here. Look at that. Real beautiful. 1890. This building was built. Well, España Park is very small. This park isn't. It's quite big. This is the National Park in the heart of San Juan. In this park, you can take a walk, enjoy the atmosphere, and right in the center of it is the National Monument right there. See the art murals, big old murals there surrounding this building, and then murals all along this walk. So next up, I'm heading over to Chinatown and check out the Chinatown gate that they have here. And here's a little bit better look at that building. The Museum of Archaeology. And there's the Building of Archaeology, big old bank building there, and the National Museum of Costa Rica from this spot. Pretty neat, the spiral thing right there, the artwork. So head on. Okay, so now that I've showed you those three big buildings and what they are, let's head on over to Chinatown and check out what that has to offer. They have a big China gate here. It's about a couple of blocks away from that National Museum. This way. And this is the Chinatown gate right here. Check that out right there. Let's go in and see what kind of Chinatown this looks like with its gate. There it is. Let's see how many Chinese shops we can find here. No sooner am I in Chinatown. Actually, it looks like I'm out of it. There's one Chinese restaurant right there. That looks like a Mexican restaurant when you first cross into the gate. So I'm not sure how that happened, but let's see what else we can see here. Another type of a sweet shop. Looks like a Japanese cake shop here. And here's some Chinese over here. Oh, look at this church back here. Looks pretty interesting. Let's check it out. Whoa. Oh, look at this. Nice. Nice structure here, complementing the big old church in the background. Look at that. And here's the big loops here. Let me check this out, show how big this is compared to my height. And So this is a big structure, as you can see. Really nice big artwork here. All right, let's see who this cool cat is sitting right here. Look at, this is an unexpected surprise. John Lennon hanging out in the park here in Chinatown. Who would have ever guessed that? Pretty nice. Looking over at the church here, John Lennon right alongside this big artwork. There's John Lennon there, the church. There's a big old statue here. Let's see if who this is. So they have a big tribute here to the Spanish rock and roller guy right here. So pretty good. They gave John Lennon some props, and now they're honoring their own Espanol artist, Gustio Andrian. One of the things that stands out immediately to me that's different in the downtown area, they have these great big one-way streets. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes, 5 lanes going one way. So it's totally different on downtown area here. Look at this big old mural right here. This church is closed, unfortunately. I would have loved to have gotten in there. Old-time classic church right there. Look at this food here. Wow, great big, huge food, big. Iglesia de las Mujeres, the Church of the Women. Luck would have it, the church is open, possibly open for 5 o'clock mass. So let me go check this out. This should be pretty good. Came over here earlier and it was closed up. The architecture in here is like really a neo-Gothic style. Look at this church. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is taking you back a few centuries. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, this church is unlike anything I've ever seen, because from the outside it looks really old and decrepit, but inside it kind of works. It looks really neat, even though it doesn't have the traditional stained glass style windows, but the ceiling is really nicely put together. Look at that. The skinny little pillars, not a bad seat in the house. Look at these classic old style confessional boxes right here. Wow, this is way, way old. And now for an up close and personal look at the altar at Iglesia de las Mujeres. Classic organ in the back here. Look at that. Look at that pipe organ right there. Absolutely fantastic. And so that'll pretty much more than do it of my downtown San Jose walk, showing you some of the highlights of this city. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to see my other videos on Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.